Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to add a trading account to TradingView. Start by logging into TradingView, then open the trading panel at the bottom of the chart. Click the broker list, find and select your broker, then choose Connect. Enter your broker username and API key or credentials when prompted, confirm permissions, and allow the platform to sync orders and balances for live trading and paper trading. To connect smoothly, first confirm your broker supports TradingView integrations and whether you need an API key. Open the trading panel, select the broker, and follow on-screen prompts to paste your API key or enter account credentials. Double-check permissions, set order types, and pick either live or paper trading mode. After connecting, test with a small paper trade to ensure orders route correctly and account balances display as expected. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading charts and trading guides comfortable on flights or coffee breaks, with a bright, glare-free screen and long battery life that keeps you learning on the go. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If the connection fails, first recheck the API key or login details and regenerate keys when needed. Confirm two-factor authentication steps are completed on the broker side and that any IP allow lists include TradingView. Clear browser cache or try an incognito window to rule out extension conflicts. If errors persist, note error codes, retry the connection, and contact broker support with details so they can investigate routing or permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.